Hello everyone. So today we're going to cover the concept of first pass yield, that is called FPY. So let's first understand the agenda for our today's video. So we are going to cover what is first pass yield, that's FPY, what is the formula for FPY, what is the difference between FPY and yield, why should business care about FPY, why FPY is a process early warning signal, how to improve FPY, what is the FPY improvement mindset, and a common challenge for all of you to brainstorm on your own area of work. At the end, I'll give you a challenge regarding FPY. So let's first understand the concept that is called what is FPY? What is the definition of first pass yield? So FPY measures how much output passes a process correctly for the first time without having any rework, repair, or correction. It tells you how healthy your process really is. Now, let's give an example. In the shaft turning CNC machine, you are doing the shaft turning operation. Now, the target is for today is basically suppose 50 number of shafts for the turning operation. Now, after the turning operation, you find that 48 number shafts have been passed correctly without having any rework or repair. But two shafts that is require some corrections, some repair. So your first pass yield will be 48 numbers only, not 50. Okay, because after correction, if you do the rework and repair or correction, then it will not come under the fundamentals of first pass yield. So that is the basic definition of first pass yield. Now I am moving into the formula for the first pass yield. So what is the formula? So as I have given an example, in the shaft turning machine, you are passing 50 number of shafts for today, and 48 numbers of shafts have been come out correctly without having any rework or correction. So your first pass yield is basically 48 divided by 50. So that is equal to 96%. It is not 100% or not 98%. It is only 96% because 48 divided by 50 that is equal to 96%. So that is your first pass yield. So now we need to understand the concept that what is the difference between first pass yield and yield. See, now understand that yield can be higher. Okay, a process can show a high final yield after rework while having a poor FPY. So FPY can be less, but but yield can be higher. Okay, because in yield we consider that we will do the rework and repair, and again we'll say that there is 100% yield. But FPY basically exposes the hidden cost of fixing the problems. That makes it a more powerful quality metric. So 48 number of shafts was correctly being passed through the turning operation, but two shafts having some corrections or some repair is required. So you can say after doing the repair or rework, you can say that my yield is 100%, but actually first pass yield is only 96%. So first pass yield basically exposes the hidden cost, the hidden problems. So it is a powerful, that's why it is a powerful quality metric. So that is the basic difference, technical difference between fast pass yield and yield. So yield can be higher, but fast pass yield basically reveals the actual truth. So hello, this is Surajit Banerjee, a Lean Six Sigma Master Black Belt. I welcome you all to our channel, the Lean Six Sigma World, your go-to place for mastering the concept of Lean Six Sigma in all aspects. I have written these books. All books are Amazon #1 bestseller, and I am a 4 times Amazon #1 bestselling author till now. Now, the first book basically is the Untold Story of Lean Six Sigma. This book will be a one-stop solution for you to learn and understand the fundamentals of Lean Six Sigma in one single go. If you want to understand that what are the losses in your own department and how to calculate all those losses, how to improve productivity, how to improve efficiency, then you should go for this book that is the world-class OEE, that is overall equipment effectiveness. Now, the most important tool and the most powerful tool that I've used in any sector, it is important. Any sector it is applicable, that is the 5 A's. So I've written this book, The Power of 5 A's. It is the foundation of everything. So if you want to understand why it is the foundation of everything, how it can build the foundation, then you should go for this book, that is The Power of 5 A's. And recently I have launched this book, that is a life-changing thoughts. So thought is the most powerful thing which will help you to bounce back. And I have written these books to empower everyone to bounce back in their life, to come back in their life too. When life will hit you hard, then you have to come back in life and prove your worth that you are the topper. You are not the topper in the class. You should not be topper in the industry, but you should be the topper in the life. That's the most important thing. And to empower everyone, I've written this book. It's a life-changing thought. One thought can change your life. Now, so the links of these books are given in the description section, so you can go and check out these books. Now I'm moving into the next concept, that is basically why should business care about the fast pass yield. See, low FPY can mean more rework. FPY is low means more rework is required. So higher cost, longer cycle time, wasted resources, lower productivity. So you need to improve the FPY so that you can attack the problems at their source instead of repeatedly fixing them. Okay. FPY basically revealing what is the actual truth behind these problems, why you should attack. So FPY, it is a signal, a warning signal. Okay. So there comes the next concept, that is why it is the process early warning signal, because a sudden APY drop can indicate that there can be some machine problem, or there can be some operator problem, there can be some material problem, there can be some training gaps, there can be some measurement errors, there can be some method problem, okay, some errors in the process stability. So process can be unstable. That's why all these things are happening. So you can attack where the problem is coming, from where the actual problem is coming. So use FPY trends to trigger investigation, not just reporting. So you need to improve with the help of some tools. So start with pattern analysis, root cause analysis, 5-way analysis, fishbone diagram. Go to the root cause of the particular problem. Then do some improvement activities like POCA, okay, standardized work, process control. Okay, focus on eliminating the cause of defect rather than increasing the inspection. So that is how you can improve the FPY. So your target, your mindset should be to focus on the actual cause from where the problem is happening. You should not work at the superficial level that you can say that yes, my yield is 100%. After doing the rework and repair, all these things, you can say there is a small rework or some small repair is required. So I will not consider it under FPY. I will not consider it as a. I will say that yield is 100%, but it is not correct. You are hiding something. You're hiding something. So your cost is involved there. Your rework means cost is involved there. Time is involved there. So you need to fix the problem from where the actual problem is coming. So you can eliminate that. So you need some tools, and you need to standardize your process so that you can improve fast pass yield. Now, the FPY challenge that I am going to give you. So track FPY for your own department, find the biggest loss, identify the root cause, eliminate it. And so the question for you is that what is the FPY level that you are currently operating? And what is stopping you to reach to the 100% level, 100% FPY level? So find the answer of this question and give your reply in the comments below. I'll be very happy and obliged to see your comments on this particular question that I've raised to you. That what is the FPY level you are operating currently at this moment, and what is stopping you to reach to the 100% FPY level? Okay, so write your answer in the comments. I'll be very happy and obliged to see your comments. So if you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video, share this video, and comments below with your thought on the question that I've raised for you as a challenge to yourself. Okay. And subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more insightful content. You can also join our exclusive WhatsApp community to get free updates on this tools and techniques, everything for free. And I just want to take this opportunity to thank you all from the bottom of my heart for being part of this journey, the Lean Six Sigma world. So thank you so much.